5 political groups is Georgios Psychogios from UL.
Thank you, Madame la Présidente. Your Excellency, allow me to stress on two important sectors, such as access to education and access to healthcare, that affect everyday life of the population in Bosnia and Herzegovina and are fundamental rights within the European Convention and the European Social Charter. I want to ask you what steps and policies have been implemented in order to ensure adequate human and financial resources for a quality public health care system and an inclusive democratic education for all, together with sufficient facilities. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. BEኢና.
To je jedno izuzetno važno pitanje.
Well, this is a very important question. Unfortunately, the education system in Bosnia and Herzegovina, as well as the health system in our country, are not a state-level jurisdiction. This is mostly the entity-level jurisdiction and, in some cases, the cantonal-level jurisdiction. However, in the last decade, specifically in the last years, we have made some progress in this area as well. For the future of Bosnia and Herzegovina, it is extremely important to have a well-functioning education system. If we have an event in Bosnia and Herzegovina, that event cannot be presented in 3 different ways, by 3 different truths. We need to teach new generation about human rights, about the building and the necessity to build a democratic society and the need to develop new generations so that they would fully uphold those values, even though the education institutions in Bosnia and Herzegovina, starting from elementary school through secondary school system, through the university and higher education systems, even though they have been increasing their quality, they have been establishing connections with the major European institutions in the area of education, and the same applies for health, by the way. These processes definitely need to be even further upgraded in the future.